follow backwards. Ready? Whoa.
Okay, let's do the hand landing. And now you can try it.
Forward?
Yeah. You have to go right because the wind. So right stick right. You are touching left stick. Left stick down to land. Left stick down and it will land. If you lose control, you just press down and it will land. So how was the first flight?
It was really easy. I'm just surprised that was how simple it was.
So if you let go of the sticks, it just holds the position.
Right, and it holds a position.
But you need to make sure that the camera is facing always the same direction you are facing.
Right, okay, that's the
make it
key
easy.
thing.
The first button is to lift off from the ground, and the second is from a hand. And when you lift off from a hand, you have to toss it like slightly up when it starts spinning. But now it's facing like, you see where it's facing. But now you are looking the opposite directions, right?
I understand now. Now I know. So I want to bring it down, use the left stick.
Yeah, let's stick all the way down.
Alright, that's simple. So now I want to go forward, I go forward. So I want to go stop. I want to go back. Go back. Beautiful. Now go up a little bit. Up.
Now go into
Go into you.
Yeah. Let's see if it's deadly. It hurt. My arm is bleeding.
I'm very impressed with this.
We should go to the car.
The battery doesn't last that long. That's the only drawback with this thing is if the battery is a little longer, it's good.
It's not about how long is the battery. You have to buy several batteries because they are very cheap and small.
But it hit Justin and it did not damage at all. The propellers are okay still. And oh, this one's a little bit bent. Oh, that's okay.
You can fix. This is the protection.
Protection, yeah.
So
overall,
you can fix all.
yeah, it was not much of it. It was way bit easy to control. Very simple to pull off.
If you're, going to fly it frequently, you should get at least couple batteries, one charging, one flying. And you always just swap batteries, and that's how you get to, a long flight time. And the same, it has USB, so you can charge it with any cell phone charger, even use a power bank and charge it on a go to.
And how's the video quality on this thing?
So you have to stop the video on a phone. I think it stopped automatically. Maybe. We will see the video if it's recorded. It has, I think, 4 gigabytes of internal storage, so we will plug USB to a computer and copy the video. And
Very impressive. This is really well done, and the durability is good, easy to control. And the only problem was the wind was a bit too windy, but it was this communication was well. This is a good training level drone. I would recommend this.
It's like it's pretty windy day. You should fly only on a calm day or inside, but it's like very small, so you can fly inside.